Hey guys, Randy here with AT3Tactical.com, and today we are moving away from your now complete upper from our previous how-tos to start piecing together my favorite part, the stripped lower. We're kicking this job off with a super fast install of your AR's magazine catch. Look, doesn't matter what caliber you're working on. If your magazine catch functions like this, it takes 10 seconds to throw in and be done. Let's talk AR magazine catch installation. As always, our recommended tools for this job, first tool, your digits, your fingies, your booger pickers, whatever your nomenclature. Tool number 2, for me, it's this little plastic punch, or something like this. Really anything that fits into the magazine release buttonhole, that'll do. Surprise, we don't have a video about your lower receiver parts up on YouTube for reference because we crossed some line somehow, some way, and then we got slapped on the wrist twice for the lost episode number 8 of our AR-15 series. Don't worry, it's floating out there on the rumbles, on the whatnots. Although it is quicker and easier to find it on our AT3 Knowledge Center site, it's YouTube safe, only giveaways and videos on that page, which yes, there's an active giveaway happening right now. Go get signed up to win, it's awesome. With that, on to step number 1, locate and secure your L-shaped magazine catching system and your magazine catch spring. Don't get it twisted with the other half dozen springs we'll be throwing in this lower when all's said and done. But parts kit makers like us, we make it pretty hard to mess up. And last but not least, your magazine release button of choice. Step numeral 2, the mag catch, the circular side goes into one side of your lower, and on the other side, your spring goes around the mag catch. Step 3, in goes the mag release button, and we are depressing the button as far as your finger will push it. Real good. Step 4, righty-tighty that magazine catch just enough to start a thread or two, and then proceed to step 5. Here in step number 5, it's where your punch tool flies in to save the day. Jam that magazine button as far as it'll go and then tighten the mag catch. Not too far, or you can't get it to seat back in its home, but just enough to capture the most threads possible. Step number 6, we are off to the bolt catch next. So get your popcorn ready and your extended bolt catch or battery assist device. That is coming up right over here next. Do not short yourself out of this month's giveaway. Please sign up you, your husband, your wife, your legal age children. We'll see you over there.